What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm getting ready to do a wash and go. I brought you guys a couple twist outs recently, so I thought, okay, let me go ahead and do a wash and go today. Because my twist outs looked okay but didn't necessarily feel the best, I went back to some oldies but goodies, things that I know work for me. Okay, so what I did is I used the Guava Slip Detangling Shampoo to gently cleanse my hair because I didn't need a whole lot of cleansing, and my hair felt really good after that. Really good after that. That's a good one. And then I went in with the Shea Moisture Curl and Shine Conditioner. Y'all know I love this. I just used up one, and now I have this one. It's almost gone too, and I might, nope, I think this is my last one. I was gonna say I might have another one over there, but I keep this in stock, so hopefully this will last until the end of the year so I can repurchase after my no buy. So I put that in as kind of a rinse out. I didn't do a deep conditioning today because I'm in a hurry. I didn't feel like I really needed it after those two, so that's great. Then I went in with the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, which I'm trying to use up. It was not in my to be used up, but I do want to use it up. There's not a lot in there at all, as you can see. So I put that on, and then I'm going to top it with the Eco Olive Oil Gel, which I need to use up. I got a lot of Ecos over there that I need to go ahead and get used up too, and I wanted my wash and go to turn out. So these are the products that I use, and I am praying that I get a good wash and go. I used to get a good wash and go with the Smoothie and the Eco, so let's hope that I still do. So I am going to start in the back as I always do. The Shea Moisture is already on my hair. I put it on in the shower. So yeah, it's already on my hair. And I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of the Eco. If y'all can see, that might be too much. I haven't used Eco in a while. And I'm just going to apply it to the hair. Eco is not as hard as it used to be, so I'm hoping that this one will still hold up to the moisture of the Smoothie, because Eco used to be real hard. So using it with the Smoothie was great because the Smoothie would soften the cast a little bit for me, but they have changed the hold on these Ecos in my opinion. So we're gonna see if it holds up to it. It looks like it's gonna be soft, guys. Ooh. Okay, 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 okay. We're gonna see. We are gonna see. Coat my ends. Y'all know I like my ends to be coated. Okay, this looks better. That looks better. Maybe I didn't put enough back here. Let me get them roots again. I don't want any flaking. Some people say this flake for them. Now, it didn't flake for me, but then again, I had the old formula. So, you know, see. People are always changing formulas up and then they don't work the same. Some of you may not like Eco, but hey, I got it on my shelf, so I'm gonna use it. If you don't like Eco, you can use whatever gel you like. I'm not surprised about the white that's on my hair. I used to do that in the past as well. But it normally dries clear, so let's hope it still does this time, because I don't want flakes. I don't want flakes. Okay guys, you see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna keep doing this around my head and you guys can watch.
I was counting my blessings, I felt beaten down. I was looking for a calling, felt lonely in a crowd. I was searching for the answers, too blind to see the signs. He was always by my side. He shed his light and picked me up. I'm safe in his arms. I found my bliss in the greatest love there is. The greatest love there is.
All right guys, so I got all the product applied. I am going to go ahead and hurry up and sit under the dryer and pray that this white disappears and that I don't get flaking. But I do know that anytime I use Eco with a thick cream, I would get white sitting on top and I wouldn't get flaking. However, Eco has since changed their formula, just like Wet Line. I used to never get flaking with Wet Line, and now since they changed their formula to a little bit softer formula, and I don't know what else they did to it, but now I will get dusting every now and again, depending on what I use it with. And I used to never get flaking with Eco or Wet Line, so there you go. It's a toss-up. It's a toss-up. It could turn out really great or it could turn out really bad. So let me get under the dryer and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I am back and this is my hair stretched. Tried to shape it just a little bit. So I didn't put on black, but I did put on green, just because I was like, what am I gonna wear this don't really go together either, but whatever. I threw this on. You would still be able to see flaking on this, and I'm looking down after I've stretched my hair and I don't see any flaking, any flurries. I didn't see any in the air, okay? So I will say that. I also will say that as I started to separate my hair to stretch, I still felt like it was damp in places, so I didn't get it all the way dry even with the diffuser. So with that being said, these two thick products take longer to dry than others that I've used, and I haven't used these two together for a while, so I just didn't remember. But I was under the dryer for an hour and I didn't want to be under there any more than that. So yeah, they do take longer to dry. So when I was separating to stretch it, it was still a little damp in areas, so I just took the blow dryer without the diffuser on it and just kind of put it in the part area that was still a little bit damp, and then I went on and stretched it. So I am going to have a little bit more frizz than I would if my hair had been all the way dry. But needless to say, we move, right? And this is my hair. So, you know, as I bring you closer, this is what my hair looks like. This right here is a gray hair. And then some of these areas right here are gray hair as well. Now, when I get down here, I still see a little bit of something like product buildup. I feel like that's what it is, but it's not flaking off, and I'm gonna leave it there. I'm just gonna let it wear off as I sleep and things like that. I'm not too worried about that. And then like where I coiled my hair on the ends, that's just how the light is hitting the coil. So again, that's gray hair. So all in all, I'm okay with how my hair looks. I don't feel like it's really shiny or anything like that, but that's okay too. If I wanted to, I could put, you know, some oil on it to give it a little bit more shine, and with that, it will take away some of the little residue that I feel like I see. But like I said, when I got downstairs, I didn't really see it. And I'm looking now, and I'm not sure if that's just residue or not, or if that's just how the light, again, the window is hitting the hair. We'll see. I'll know better once I look at this. But for me, I feel like this is a good combo. Just be mindful of how much you use. I feel like I may have been a little bit heavy-handed with this in the shower, and then I definitely was heavy-handed with this because it's almost gone. I think when I started it was like a half a jar, and it's pretty much gone. So I know I was heavy-handed with the product, and then I thought it looked a little frizzy, so then I added more. So you could definitely get a good wash and go. Just be mindful of how much you use. So this is my hair. Like I said, there is a little bit frizz to it, but it's still definitely defined as well, and it'll get me through the days that I needed to get me through. Okay, so yeah guys, that's it. Just wanted to go back to an oldie but goodie. It ain't gonna be a video of mine if y'all don't hear cotton. Just wanted to go back to an oldie but goodie. My hair definitely feels moisturized. It's big, it's fluffy, it's, you know, what I like. So I'm not mad at it at all, and yeah, it'll get me through the days. Okay guys, just pumping in to show you third day hair. So this is it. I did stretch it a little bit just to loosen up the curls after being slept on and in my bonnet, but for the most part, this is it. Haven't done anything else to it, and I didn't even stretch it like I normally do with clips, really taking each section. I just basically just blew the heat around the hair just to loosen up the curls a little bit. But this is it. I'm not mad at it. It's still moisturized from using these two products. No crunch at all. A little frizzy, but you know, it was a little frizzy day one as well, just because I believe both of these have glycerin pretty high up. So this has glycerin as the third ingredient, and then this has glycerin as the sixth ingredient, but it also has aloe vera juice in it too. So it has a lot of moisturizing things in it. So with that being said, I wasn't too shocked, you know, at the frizz that I got on day one. And when I was applying the products, I could tell that it was a little bit frizzy, and then I thought, oh shoot, I didn't think about the glycerin. But it's okay. I'd rather it be moisturized and a little frizzy than dry and how it had been feeling previously. So yeah, this is it. It's a good combo. My Eco pretty much is gone. I still have just a little bit of this, so I do want to finish it up. I don't know how, but we'll get it finished. So it's just a little bit left in here. I would recommend these, but I would say be, you know, lighter handed with the cream because it is very moisturizing and you don't need a lot. If you use too much, you could get flaking. But yeah, I think they're a good combo. And if you are looking for moisture, then something like this under a harder holding gel will give you that. Okay, all right guys, let me know what you think about this hair. Let me know how you felt it held up for 3 days. It definitely will get me through the weekend. So yeah, I'm not too worried about that. It'll give me a couple more days that I'll be okay with before I have to wash. So it's still gonna get me somewhere between my usual 4 and 5 days. And yeah guys, that's it. All right guys, that's it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.